Deep within the heart of Africa, where the White Nile embarks on its epic journey north, lies a vast and enigmatic realm known as the SUDD. This sprawling wetland, one of the largest freshwater ecosystems in the world, dominates the landscape of South Sudan. The SUDD, meaning barrier in Arabic, is aptly named, for it presents a formidable obstacle to navigation and conceals a hidden world teeming with life. Here in this flooded expanse, nature's wonders unfold on an epic scale. The SUDD's significance extends far beyond its geographical borders. It is a vital source of life for countless species, a regulator of the Nile's flow, and a cultural touchstone for the people who call its fringes home. Yet this extraordinary ecosystem faces growing threats from climate change and human activities. Understanding the SUDD's unique features, its ecological importance, and the challenges it faces is crucial for ensuring its preservation for generations to come. Imagine a landscape in perpetual flux, a mosaic of water channels, lagoons and islands that shift and transform with the seasons. This is the essence of the SUDD, a dynamic ecosystem shaped by the ebb and flow of the White Nile. During the rainy season, which typically lasts from May to October, the Nile swells, inundating vast areas and creating a labyrinthine network of waterways. The water level can rise by as much as 5 meters, swallowing the surrounding grasslands and transforming the landscape into a shallow inland sea. As the floodwaters recede during the dry season, the SUDD undergoes a dramatic transformation. The water levels drop, revealing fertile grasslands and shrinking the waterways into a network of interconnected channels and pools. This cycle of flooding and recession is the lifeblood of the SUDD, dictating the rhythm of life for its inhabitants and shaping the very fabric of the ecosystem. The SUDD is a botanist's dream, a haven for an astonishing array of plant life, much of it adapted to thrive in this waterlogged world. Dominating the landscape is the iconic papyrus reed, its tall, slender stalks crowned with feathery plumes, forming dense, impenetrable stands that rise from the water's edge. These papyrus forests provide essential habitat for a myriad of creatures, from insects and birds to larger mammals seeking refuge from predators. Beneath the water's surface lies a vibrant underwater garden. Water lilies, with their broad floating leaves and delicate blossoms, add splashes of color to the verdant expanse. Submerged aquatic plants such as water hyacinth and water lettuce form dense mats, providing shelter for fish, amphibians, and invertebrates. The SUDD's rich flora is a testament to the resilience of life and its ability to flourish in even the most challenging of environments. The SUDD is a wildlife enthusiast's paradise, a haven for an astonishing diversity of animals that have adapted to this unique ecosystem. Perhaps the most iconic inhabitant is the Nile crocodile, Africa's largest reptile, which can grow to over 6 meters in length. These formidable predators lurk in the shallows, their prehistoric forms a reminder of the region's ancient lineage. Sharing the waterways are pods of hippopotamuses, their massive bodies submerged in the cool water, their snorts and grunts echoing across the lagoons. The skies above the SUDD are alive with the sights and sounds of avian life. Flocks of African darters, their wings outstretched to dry after a fishing expedition, resemble prehistoric pterosaurs soaring through the air. Sacred ibises, their distinctive curved beaks probing the mudflats for food, add a touch of elegance to the scene, and the haunting cries of fish eagles perched atop papyrus stalks signal their mastery over the skies. From the diminutive squacco heron to the majestic Goliath heron, the SUDD's bird life is a testament to the richness of this wetland ecosystem. The SUDD's ecological significance extends far beyond its borders. It plays a crucial role in regulating the flow of the White Nile, acting as a giant sponge that absorbs floodwaters during the rainy season and slowly releases them during the dry months. This natural regulation is essential for downstream communities and ecosystems that rely on the Nile's waters for agriculture, transportation, and sustenance. Moreover, the SUDD serves as a massive water filtration system. The dense vegetation and intricate network of waterways slow the flow of water, allowing sediments and pollutants to settle out, thus improving water quality downstream. This natural filtration process is vital for maintaining the health of the Nile River and the countless communities that depend on it. Despite its resilience, the SUDD faces growing threats from both natural and human-induced factors. Climate change, with its unpredictable rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures, is altering the delicate hydrological balance of the SUDD. Prolonged droughts can shrink the wetland, reducing habitat for wildlife and impacting the livelihoods of local communities. Conversely, more intense rainfall can lead to devastating floods, displacing communities and disrupting the ecosystem's delicate equilibrium. Human activities also pose significant challenges to the SUDD's health. Overgrazing by livestock can lead to soil erosion and degradation of vegetation. Deforestation for firewood and charcoal production removes vital habitat and disrupts the natural water cycle. And unsustainable fishing practices, including the use of illegal fishing gear, threaten fish populations and the delicate balance of the ecosystem. In recognizing the SUDD's ecological and cultural importance, various conservation organizations and local communities are working tirelessly to protect this unique ecosystem. Efforts are underway to promote sustainable land management practices, such as rotational grazing and reforestation, to reduce pressure on the SUDD's resources. Community-based fisheries management programs are empowering local communities to manage their fisheries sustainably, ensuring the long-term health of fish populations and the livelihoods they support. Education and awareness campaigns are crucial for fostering a sense of stewardship among local communities and highlighting the importance of conservation. By working together, conservationists, policymakers, and local communities can help safeguard the SUDD's future and ensure that this natural treasure continues to thrive for generations to come. The SUDD is not just a wetland in South Sudan, it is a global treasure, a vital part of our planet's natural heritage. Its fate is intertwined with the health of the Nile River, the livelihoods of millions of people, and the survival of countless species. Protecting the SUDD is not just a conservation imperative, it is a shared responsibility that requires global cooperation and action. We can all play a part in supporting the SUDD's conservation. By raising awareness about the SUDD's importance, supporting sustainable practices and advocating for policies that protect this vital ecosystem, we can help ensure its preservation for generations to come. The SUDD stands at a crossroads. The choices we make today will determine its fate and the legacy we leave for future generations. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting conservation efforts and working together, we can ensure that the SUDD continues to thrive, a testament to the power of nature and the importance of protecting our planet's most precious ecosystems. The SUDD's future is in our hands. Let us rise to the challenge and ensure that this wetland wonder continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.
Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to South Sudan Wildlife for more updates.